So all sorts of beautiful sandwiches, as I told you, here in TNT. We're continuing rolling out recipes. And this sandwich, rated as probably one of the best sandwiches, not just here in Trinidad Tobago and across the Caribbean, but in the world. We are proud of Bacon Shark, or Shark and Bake. I'm not even getting into that debate. But this segment brought to you by the folks at Adams Sauces, because we are going to not do bacon shark today. We're going to do a bake and shrimp. It has become very, very popular here in Trinidad Tobago, up on the Maracas Hills. And we are going to show you how easy it is to take your bacon shrimp up to another level by using these wonderful range of Adams sauces. So let's get cracking. The first thing to do is to get the simplest way to do a fry bake. Everybody has a different way. This is how we do it. Place all dry ingredients in a bowl. Flour, yeast, baking powder, sugar, salt. Add shortening and rub into the dry ingredients. Then add some warm water and mix to form a soft dough. Knead for a few minutes and shape into a smooth ball. Let the dough rise for approximately 45 minutes to an hour. Then, punch down the dough and knead again for a few minutes. Form into balls. Flatten with a rolling pin and fry in hot oil. You get these beautiful fry bakes. Guys, fry bakes is life, you know. I think when you eat a fry bake, it's just you can't go back and eat anything else. Fry bake is life. So these beautiful fry bakes will form, as I said, the heart of the sandwich that we are going to do. And we're doing a simple shrimp that we're going to season up. I have some shrimp here. Bacon shrimp has become kind of popular up in the Maracas Hills, Maracas Beach. We ain't go to the beach in a long time, but it has just kind of become a little popular when you go in any of your favorite stores up in Maracas. Yeah, you bacon shark, yes, but the shrimp just kind of have a different kind of vibe. Salt, pepper, very, very simple. What I'm going to do actually is use the Shadow Benny sauce from Adams to season it up a little bit. So I just want a little bit in there. And because I like a little kick, as we celebrate Trinis and Trinbagonians, we like a little kick. So I'm actually seasoning the shrimp with a touch of pepper sauce. Just want to mix everything together. Salt, pepper. Shrimp takes flavor so well, it cooks very quickly, so you don't really need much. Don't over season the shrimp. I'm gonna get my pan nice and hot here. I have some flour that I just seasoned with some salt and pepper. Quick dredge in some flour, shake off the excess in the oil. That's all you're doing. Shrimp takes no longer than just about a minute or two on either side. It cooks very quickly. Don't serve me rubbery shrimp, please. Once you see it turning a little opaque like that, flour gives it that nice little crispiness. So you have these lovely shrimp. Let's put together this bad boy. I have our fry bakes. Like a nice big fry bake. So you know you have all your condiments when you're pulling together your bacon shark. I like to keep it simple. So I have some lettuce, some tomatoes, and then I just want to pile all this luscious shrimp as much as the bake can take. As much as the bake can take. You know my eye is big. And this is where the magic comes in. You get your Adams sauces, starting with the garlic. I like the little honey mustard, just for that little chisel, little honey mustard. Must have that Shadow Benny sauce. Chisel over there, and then you must have a little kick, a little pepper sauce. all by Adams. Guys, look at that. One of the greatest sandwiches in the entire world. Bacon shark, bacon shrimp, right here in sweet TNT. Our melting pot is brought to you in part by Adams Sauces.